Hello students, good morning, happy Monday. Student, this is your social study class now. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter. Do you know what is that chapter? That is chapter 15, Industries in India. The name of the chapter is Industries in India. Okay. So, in the chapter, our minerals resources, you have learned that minerals are excavated from inside the earth. No? These minerals are raw materials for our industries. Right? So, what do you mean by industry? Industry referred to the production of economic goods, either materials or a service. Materials and or a service. Service, that means hospital service. Then you can say service from the lawyer, service from the lawyer. All these are services. So within economy, with the help of machines and power. Okay, so this is the definition for the industry. Okay, so industries are of two main types. Industries are of two main types. That is, first one is agro-based industries. Okay, the first one is agro-based industries. That industries that use the agricultural crops, such as agricultural crops as a raw materials, such as textile, sugar, jute industry. These are agro-based industry. Okay, so the second type of industry is mineral-based industry. First one is agro-based industry, second one is mineral-based industry. Right? So industries that use minerals mined from the earth as raw materials. So this type of industries are called mineral-based industries. For example, iron and steel, chemical and fertilizer industries, all this. So students, there are four key industries. There are four key industries. That means there are four key industrial economic sectors. There are four key industrial economic sectors. Then one by one I am telling you. These are, first one is the primary sector. Second one, secondary sector. Third one, tertiary sector. And the fourth one, quaternary sector. The first one, the primary sector. Primary sector such as mining, farming, etc. This is basic level sector. Primary sector is a basic level sector. Okay. Second one is secondary sector, such as refining, construction, manufacturing. Refining, that means raw materials can be refined in the factories. That is refining. Construction of any construction of building, or you can say factories. This is construction, manufacturing in the factories, industries, that comes in secondary sector. Third one is tertiary sector. That means second one is manufacture based sector. Manufacture based product, we get product from industry, or you can say by construction or manufacturing things, materials. And the third one is tertiary sector. Tertiary sector is a service to the consumer. In this sector, services are provided to the consumer. Do you understand? Tertiary sector such as law, we get advice from lawyer. Medicine, that means doctor advises and prescribe medicines. Then distribution of manufacturing goods, marketing. These are the service to consumer. Okay, tertiary sector is basically service to the consumer. Okay, and the fourth one is quaternary sector. Quaternary sector such as computer programming and biochemistry, all this. That means this quaternary sector is knowledge oriented economic sector. Do you understand? Quaternary sector is knowledge oriented economic sector. So these are the four economic sectors. These are four key industrial economic sectors. First one is primary sector, second one is secondary sector, third one is tertiary sector, and the fourth one is quaternary sector. And the next thing is types of industries. Types of industries, that means there are basically three types of industries. First one is cottage industry, second small scale industry, and third one is large scale industry. Okay students, so this is what for today. Tomorrow I will show you one video clip. Okay, you will enjoy that one. Tomorrow I am making one video clip. You will see that. Okay, you will get whole ideas of industries in India, and then day after tomorrow we will go through these types of industries. So the class ends here students. Good day.